Sony officially revealed the Xperia VIII, and surprisingly, this might be the boldest Xperia redesign in years. The company that spent half a decade refusing to touch its camera layout finally abandoned the legendary vertical strip design and replaced it with a completely new square camera module. But unlike many competitors chasing oversized circles and chaotic layouts, Sony still tries to keep everything minimal, symmetrical, and unmistakably Japanese in style.
For years, Xperia smartphones looked almost identical from generation to generation. This time, Sony finally decided to experiment. The new square-shaped camera module dramatically changes the rear appearance, while still maintaining Xperia's clean, industrial aesthetic. Instead of making the camera bump gigantic, Sony kept the module relatively compact and elegant, proving that camera-focused smartphones don't necessarily need massive circular islands dominating the entire back panel.
One of the most unusual additions is the new full-circle lighting system surrounding the camera lenses. Sony designed it not only as a notification light, but also as a soft illumination tool for macro photography and close-up shots. It gives the Xperia VIII a unique visual identity at night. On the front, Sony continues prioritizing practicality over trends. The Xperia VIII features a 6.5-inch OLED display with adaptive refresh rates from 1 to 120 Hz, HDR support, and durable Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. Unlike many Android brands obsessed with aggressive curves, Sony keeps the display flatter and cleaner, preserving precise touch accuracy and making the device more comfortable for photography, gaming, and professional video editing workflows. Instead of joining the megapixel war with gigantic 200-megapixel sensors, Sony chose balance. The Xperia One V8 uses 3 separate 48-megapixel cameras optimized for different focal lengths. The standout feature is the new 70mm telephoto lens, paired with a large sensor capable of producing natural optical background blur that resembles professional full-frame cameras far more closely than typical smartphone portrait effects. Sony also integrated a completely new Xperia AI photography system. The smartphone now analyzes lighting, framing, object depth, and color conditions before you even press the shutter button. The AI assistant can suggest different focal lengths, improve raw multi-frame processing, and optimize macro shots automatically. Unlike heavily artificial filters used by some competitors, Sony still aims for a more natural photographic style, closer to professional cameras. Inside the Xperia VIII sits Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. Sony continues targeting creative professionals rather than benchmark enthusiasts, but the hardware is still extremely powerful. Whether you're editing high-resolution videos, processing raw photos, or running demanding games, the Xperia VIII has enough performance headroom to handle almost everything smoothly. While most flagship brands aggressively remove useful hardware features every year, Sony continues doing the opposite. The Xperia VIII still includes a micro SD card slot and a 3.5mm headphone jack, 2 features that have almost disappeared from premium smartphones entirely. Sony launches the Xperia VIII in 4 premium colors: graphite black, silver gray, garnet red, and gold. Unlike flashy gaming smartphones covered in aggressive RGB lighting, Xperia devices continue embracing understated luxury. The matte metallic textures, clean geometry, and restrained color palette make the phone feel more like a professional creative tool than a trendy social media gadget built entirely around visual exaggeration. The Xperia VIII feels like Sony finally remembered that smartphones can evolve visually without sacrificing identity. The redesigned camera module, advanced AI photography tools, professional-grade ergonomics, and classic Xperia practicality combine into a flagship that feels refreshingly different from the increasingly repetitive Android market. It may not chase every trend, but that's exactly what makes the Xperia VIII surprisingly interesting in 2026.